I wanted to show this with you because it's not very usually that you get an opportunity to find a power seller that actually ships everything from China. And in fact, he has 44,000 products that he is selling. The best thing about this is that you can even see which are the products that are selling that he is importing. So what can you do? It is plain and simple. You're gonna go through the listings that he posted up, such as this one right here, watch for the government. You can see the proof right here that 109 of those items already sold. So the only thing you need to do is to find the same exact product on Aliexpress and to post it up for sale. You're gonna go to Aliexpress next, paste this in, press on search, and here we go. We find similar or like-minded products that are selling here for a different price. So this specific item is the replacement silicone wristwatch band and strap. So let's go ahead and change the description down. We are trying to narrow down exactly what he's actually selling. And plus we want to go ahead and get the cheapest possible product here as well. So the price is very important too. And here we have the actual product I think that we could be selling right here. And this is for $6.88. So this specific product seems to be selling a little bit more expensive than I anticipated on Aliexpress. This is sometimes what is going to happen. When you're competing with a seller such as this guy who is pretty big, a lot of times he is getting it directly from the source, so he can actually mark the price a lot lower than you can potentially could. But it's not always the case here. Sometimes you'll be able to find the same exact item or even cheaper on Aliexpress. So you gotta constantly look for the products, because not initially and not at first you're gonna find a very good product that you can actually resell for more money. So here is the next one right here. And another thing that he did is he writes his own descriptions down as well, making it much harder for you to find this exact item for sale on Aliexpress. So this might take you a little bit more extra time to find the exact product that he is selling at a good price. So let's copy this down and try one more product right here as well. And you have to go through constantly every single one of his products so you can find the exact product that he is selling. It's not something that's going to easily come over here, so it's going to take you a little bit of an assignment when you go through a bunch of them. And here is a similar like the product that he's selling as well. And I think I found a better quality of the same product for $81. Here is another one. This looks to be almost the same identical product actually. Nope, this is actually a higher end or a better version of that product. So sometimes you might be able to find not the same exact product, but actually a superior product that is being sold here, and you can use that specific product instead in order for you to make even more money than that specific sell. One thing that we can see here and learn from this guy is the products that he is selling. A lot of them are not higher end. They're actually the lower end of the same kind of a product. Since he's selling so many, he can definitely buy a lot of them. But this guy is not looking to make money in selling high end, the best possible version of this specific product. He's just looking to make the most money selling the cheapest possible product. And this is not a great business model. This business model is actually costing him in a lot of negative reviews. So he has 636 bad reviews here. And he keeps on getting a lot of reviews because he is making a lot of mistakes in here. I'm surprised he's still on eBay because of this specific issue. But since his feedback is good enough and he's getting a lot of products sold, they're still keeping him in actually being able to sell things. So what can you learn from this guy? You can learn that you can either increase the quantity, sell a lot of things, and get a lot of reviews. Or you can go ahead and do something different. You can find similar products that this guy is actually selling, find the better version of those specific products, and then what you're going to be doing is making money with actually selling products that are higher end instead. So that is one business model you can do. Or of course you can try to match this same guy, find some of the products that he is selling here. Try to find some of the best selling ones that he is getting, such as this one. He's getting 51 of them sold for this specific case right here. And he's selling it at only 99 cents. Now you can't compete with 99 cents. And even if you sell it for $3 or so, the profit margin is very thin here. So then again, I suggest the same exact business model. You want to go for the higher end of a similar or same like product instead. Not only you'll get better profit, you also are going to get a lot more money and less chance of negative reviews. So here is the product that he's selling, and we're going to be checking this specific one and seeing our options. Now, we're not going to get the same exact product that he is selling because he found a supplier that's giving him the cheapest possible price for it. Instead, you're just going to look for a lot better product that has a lot better reviews for it, and a lot more people might actually like instead. This one looks pretty interesting. And what we're doing here, we're just getting ideas. What kind of products are selling? Which ones have very good demand for? And then we're trying to outdo this actual seller. We want to go, instead of copying him and trying to do exactly what he is doing and replicating his business model, instead we are not going to copy him whatsoever. We are just getting ideas what kind of product are selling, using those ideas to find even better products that are similar like it, and sell them for more money and actually ask a lot more cash for a similar like product. And this is exactly what you're going to be doing.